Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys this new strategy that I've been using recently. It's very simple. Even a beginner, someone that start trading today will know how to make use of this strategy. This strategy is well defined in a way that even a new trader will be able to know how to make use of this strategy and make money. So you don't even have to know how to trade, how to analyze the market. All you need to know is just listen to what I'm doing now, what I'm about to teach you guys now, and then you'll be able to carry out exactly what I'm doing now, and you'll be making consistent profits. All right. You see, trading is a very simple stuff, but we have bad psychology. Our mindset is not sound, so that's why we are making mistakes every time and we're losing money every time. All right, but if you have a good sound mindset now, okay, I'm telling you this now, this strategy will change your trading, and some people will just keep some people start making use of this strategy. You see, when you start making use of this strategy, you start making money with this strategy. Then after a while, you start losing. Do you know why? Because you are getting overexcited, and then you start ignoring the this very fact that trading is not easy. This very fact that you could lose everything, your entire capital, okay, and you start forgetting or ignoring those principles or rules of this strategy. Okay, so I want you guys to pay attention. Okay, watch this video to the end to get to understand how this strategy works. I'll show you guys the settings. If you watch the end, you see the settings of the strategy and everything you need to know about this strategy. All right, fine. So you can see this strategy is for boom and crash. You use this strategy to trade boom and crash. You scalp with this strategy. You scalp with this strategy. Okay. You use the 1 minute time frame, to trade this strategy. And your zoom level is zoom level 1, zoom level 2. You can use zoom level 2. It's awesome. If you want to use 3, still fine, but I think 2 is okay for me. I love using 2. All right, zoom level 2 is fine for me. That's good. Now, if you're new on our channel, maybe you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video with friends, and drop some good comments. And also check the description area to join the free Telegram channel. You see my link there to talk to me, chat to me directly, or join the free Telegram channel. All right. Mentorship, we start mentorship pretty soon. Okay. Teach people how to analyze the market just like I do. Like today, I've given 3 signals today and we won all 3 signals. We smashed like 3 TPs already. Let me show you guys. So here's my VIP. You can see today, we started today, and before I drop signal, drop this attention so that everybody will be at alert. You know that signals are coming, right? I dropped the first signal, VIX 75 1 days, which we smashed our TP. It's very far. It was I dropped the second signal here. We short 101 days. Okay, still in deep profit. This is the chart for 101 days, and this is the chart for VIX 75 1 ace. You can see VIX 75 1 ace profit running. You can see that, right? Running. You can see market still going up. All right, to this point, still flying up. All the signals, you can see this one too. You can see that. So I gave the third signal, and which is on VIX 75. You can see we smashed our TP here on 75 1 ace. So we have given 3 signals. This one is going far as well. All right, so we do this stuff. I do this stuff every day. All right, I do this stuff every day, and it happens. We make profits every day. If you join the VIP, you see we make money every day. I have nothing to hide. I share my chart analysis. I share the TP, SL, everything you need to know about the strategy or the setup. Okay, so that's how it is. Whatever signal I take, I give to my people so that they equally make profits with me. If you check my channel, you know that I've been flipping accounts. I'll be taking small amounts of money like $10, flip it to 900, 1,000 and more. All right, so don't forget to join the academy. The new batch start pretty soon this month. Let's make money together. I think we have a network issue here. Okay, so now we are back to our strategy. Before you trade this strategy, you want to be sure that you see this indicator, these indicators, like this indicator in here, inside this level. You want to see that this red and green indicator goes up to, for boom, goes up to the overbought zone. Once it gets to the overbought zone, you have to wait patiently for the MACD, this blue indicator inside here, this blue indicator that looks like volume. Yeah, so you wait for it to push up into the 85 zone as well, to the level 85. Once it gets into the level 85, you are waiting for the red indicator to cross the green indicator downward. As it's crossing the green indicator, you are shorting from there, you're selling from that level. So do you see it? You can see that. How many candlesticks? Massive profits. So how do you do that? Once you enter, you put your SL few pips above your entry, and then you're targeting 10 candlesticks from there. 10 candlesticks. You count 1 2 3 4 10 ticks. Okay, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Once it gets to 10, you're out. You jump out of the market. All right, as simple as that. For crash, you're selling. Then we have another one right there. We have this one here. We have this one right here. Remember, you have to wait for the green and red indicator to get into the 85 zone inside here, and then the MACD should touch the zone or inside the zone as well. Once you see the red indicator crossing the green downward, you're shorting, you're selling from there, you make your money. It happens every time, guys. Every time, guys. That's it. You take 10 candles, you take 10 candlesticks, you make your money. So that's how to make money. That's how to make money. Pretty simple. Okay. So, and also I want to remind you guys, I'm creating a group for everybody. I'm creating a group for everybody that's joining the channel, free Telegram channel for mentorship. Okay, so that I'll be dropping some stuff you will be learning as you are joining the group. So create the channel group very soon, where every one of us will be interacting. I'll be there. I'll chat with you guys. You send your message, your questions, and I answer. So I'll create that watch list for everyone that would love to have, want to learn, get some knowledge about trading. Okay, even if you don't have money now, at least when you join there, you'll be able to communicate with other people, join other people, what they are doing. Okay, so if you join the free Telegram channel, check the description. I'll create the group and also share the link for everyone to join the group. Okay, yeah. So every time market touches that zone, it drops. It drops. Can you see that, right? That's it, guys. So as simple as that, wait for market to get to the overbought zone. Then the MACD gets to that point as well. The two indicator on the indicator window gets to that point, and then you short once they crosses each other. You short it from there. You sell it from there. You catch 5 ticks and you're out. 5 candlesticks, you're out. Okay, so as simple as that. So I'll go ahead now and drop the parameters. All right, so those that join my channels, those on my channels are doing well. My VIP, they are making consistent profits. I'm not joking, guys. So look at that. We have the first indicator you're bringing in. you completely ignore this one. But if you want to add the MA on the window, main window, you can use period 30. Shift is 6, method is linear weighted typical price. Now the job of the MA, the job of this MA is to tell you the market trend. If the market goes down for a long time or is a strong downtrend, you see it on the higher time frame, like the 30 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. So if the MA is above the current price, this is what I'm saying. On the 15 or 30 minutes time frame, you can see this our 30 minutes time frame. You can see the MA, this it. The MA is above the current price. Let's see the 15 minutes time frame. Same thing. So whenever you have the MA above the current price like this, you see markets will be going down more. That shows that we are in a downtrend. But if the MA is below the current price, below these candlesticks, that means we are actually going up. So that's its job. Well, you can do without it with this strategy because, like I said, it's well defined. Okay, so please, it's only for scalping. You can scalp with this strategy, but don't catch spike with this strategy. When I work on this spike and it's give me good results, that's when I'll share. All right, I don't want to share nonsense. Okay, so the settings here on the indicator window 1, we have the RSI. The RSI is the period is 8 applied to median price. These are the levels. We have 5, 15, 85, 95. You click on go back, and under here, under style you're using white and you use the smallest pixel, and this one here, so that it will not be obvious, it won't be seen on the chart. All right, that's the idea. And you click on done. Okay, then you go back again, you're clicking on alligator. The jaws period is 13, teeth period is 6, lips period is 5, jaws shift, teeth shift. You can screenshot them, they are much. Okay, 8, 5, 3. The method is smoothed. You can see that smoothed, right? Linear weight, smoothed, right? And applied to median price. Okay, median price. And on that style, we have this first one is white, the same with my MT5 background. Then the teeth is green. You can use green and red. Okay, then you click on done. Simple as that. Remember, for boom, you wait for market to get to the overbought zone. Where is your overbought zone? Levels like these levels here. And once it crosses, the red crosses the green downward, you're selling from there, and you take 10 candlesticks, and that's it. As simple as that. All right, so I think that will be all for now. You can see the VIP, we are making money. If you want to join us, there's no scam zone here. You can see they are real people, right? So if you want to join us, send me a DM, check the description box to join me, to join the platform. And as like I said, I'll create a group where everybody would join and interact. We bring you, ask your question, we deliberate and get an answer. All right, so that'll be all for now. The magician right here. Bye bye.